JD here with GlobriteAdapter.com. Head over today and get yourself some because they're selling out fast. Today I'm going to go over how to install a Jandy Hydrocool light and a Pentair Globrite Niche. Ready for it? Here it comes. First thing you're going to do, you're going to take your Jandy Hydrocool light and get rid of this little black gasket. Cut it off with your knife, put it in the trash. Next thing you're going to do, take your Globrite adapter and stick it on your Jandy Hydrocool. Two ways you can do it. First way, over the cord, back through, pull it up like this, nice and snug against the threads, done. Other way you can do this is take the adapter and put it over top of the threads this way. I recommend leaving this in your dashboard of your truck if you're going to use these that day, because they are 100% silicone. They will get a little bit more malleable or flexible with the heat, but they will not break, they will not crack. They are 100% silicone. Next thing you're going to do once you're ready with this, take your Globrite tool, put on your Globrite, pull your Globrite out, cut it off the wire, put it in the trash. Next thing you're going to do, take your Hydrocool light, put it in the hole, push it in, you're done.